Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Calamita renovation. If you've been following along, you know we've been pushing hard on the camper, especially over the last couple of weeks. And objectively, we've actually made a ton of progress. Corey has been absolutely incredible, working tirelessly. He's gotten the bottom bunk framed out, which is a huge step, and the fridge is finally out of the house and installed in the camper, which, let me tell you, is a massive relief for space. We even got the tub and toilet in. It's amazing what a deadline can do for your motivation, right? We have a new project coming into the shop next week, and they want to take internal photos, so it's really pushed us to clear things out. And honestly, I've been in a mad dash cleaning the house from top to bottom to make room for that incoming project. It's been a non-stop few days. Sunday, May 18th. And you said, come here, let me show you something. Oh my goodness, stuff is going in. So that's where the refrigerator will go.
It's not screwed in yet, but all it's going to take is just a few screws into the floor and into that, and that'll be there. Secure this. But it's wedged in place. That's pretty much where it's going to go. It's probably not going to come back out from this point.
And then you have, oh yeah,
frame and everything together.
Awesome.
Across here. And so that's, I just need to screw these down to the floor, but it's sturdy. And we can put one of the handles back in there.
Yep.
We can have a plug outlet or something.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
Plug outlets here.
Oh, that, yeah, come to think of it.
The
mattress will come up.
Will come up to there, so I think we still have clearance. All right. This is the rail that's going to go. It's gonna drop down about an inch from this.
Cool.
But I guess I need to screw the metal down too. I haven't done that. I don't know if it needs
Yay!
it. It has this. I don't know if I want to screw the metal down.
It's going back in. This is exciting. And if you didn't recognize, those are all of the panels from the trunks that we took apart. Mm-hmm. And he went ahead and left the blue vinyl on there to add a pop of color back in the bunkhouse.
Oh, and it's water
resistant, and
so
that'll be good.
I think that'll be good we can really load the fridge down. We could put a deep freeze here if we wanted.
I'm just glad that I'll have the refrigerator out of my house. What do you think of your house, Lulu?
This is Lupa's house.
Is this Lupa's house? Well, you can get up in there. Or you can show her.
Let me get this out.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, now you're fine. Okay, I got
Here's
it.
the hose.
Okay, go over to your bunk bed.
Come here. Lupa, come on. Get up. You're good. Get up.
There you go. Good girl.
Nice.
That's Lupa's bed. What do you think? It doesn't smell as bad as when it first came to us. Shall I come over here and sit too? Okay. What you think, Lulu? What you think? Yeah. Okay. I think she likes it.
I think she does.
I feel I need to be honest with you all. This last couple of days have been really tough for me, and that feels so contradictory to the progress we're making. It's hard to say, but it feels like many of my initial dreams and visions for La Calamita, they're just being snuffed out. When we first started this, I spent so much time planning, researching, imagining every detail, and I thought I'd communicated that vision really clearly. I thought we were on the same page. But once the actual construction started, it feels like much of that initial planning, all that early work I did, it just sort of disappeared. After 8 months of trying to communicate and navigate this, I'm just exhausted. To be frank, it's gotten to the point where I just want it done. And to get there, I've had to accept that a lot of my initial input and the things I was passionate about for my vision of the camper, they're just not going to happen. It feels like all that early effort was for nothing, and that's a hard pill to swallow. What was supposed to be a fun, creative project for us, for me, has become a bit of a nightmare. We've been fighting a lot, and it's just draining. I'm in a pretty dark place right now, but the progress is real. The bottom bunk is framed, the fridge is in. Those are tangible wins that do relieve some of the immediate pressure. We're moving forward, even if my heart isn't fully in the dream anymore. I'm just hoping that once it's done, once we're past this stage, I can find some of that excitement again. Good morning.
Morning.
So today is May 20th.
Yeah.
It's early in the morning, so really all we're covering is what you did yesterday.
Yeah.
And the big thing was we got the refrigerator in here.
Yeah. So just, got the platform built for the fridge, have that. I mean, we can put, I think this can probably hold, 1,000 pounds, 800 pounds or so.
And the fridge isn't nearly that heavy. Yeah. You and I both got that in here. Just the two of us pretty easily.
And so, it's so great because
look at all that space. And it's not my foyer anymore.
And it is 110 electric, but we can do a inverter off of the batteries or off of the power system. And if we decide to do solar or something like that, it's supposed to be really, really efficient. So really, that's not a big problem. And you save some money on having that over conversion between 12 volt 110 and even if it was propane, which it's not.
And the more we move along in this, the more we're moving away from propane
and do more electric where we can. And if we're doing, it's a camper, so any of our cooking is going to be either campfire or potentially a grill or a burner, gas grill.
So you got the refrigerator in. You've got the rail on the.
It's somewhat in the lower bunk. Easy access here. This can pull and lift up there. But if we have this as storage or whatever, I also want to have a drawer access
underneath.
Just make things versatile
right.
And easy.
And that lip on there keeps the mattress from coming off.
This is a little heavy, but it's one of the crates. We wanted to keep some of the labeling and everything here. Laura removed the handles, but we might either put a handle back in,
or one of the door latches, maybe,
door latch or something here to just kind of keep that trunk
feel.
And then we'll probably put a 110 outlet, or maybe even a 12 volt with USB plugs. Something that's easy to access here. We might even cut another one up there for the top bunk, just for power and charging.
That is awesome, yeah. And then there would be a cabinet. A cabinet will be going in on this space here, so that we have pantries.
Either have cubby, pantry drawers or doors or something. We might even leave it open. I don't know.
No.
Okay, we're not leaving it open.
He wants to leave everything open.
Easy to access.
ADHD, able to see your piles. I deal with the same thing in the house.
We'll cut that part out. So yeah, we'll just figure out the door facing here, the trim. We're going to have to secure the fridge somehow. We're looking into how we're going to do that. Maybe.
Thanks for bearing with me on this honest update. We'll keep sharing the progress.
Always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.